Why do artists, for most of their practice life, tend to struggle with a sense of continuity? Continuity here is like having a language that people can read in their works. When I mean struggle, I don't mean every artist struggles with it, but it's something that young artists like struggle with in phases, if I might say. You know, you get a period where you paint in a particular way or make works in a particular way, then after a while it changes to something else, and then it changes after some time to something else. And so there are quite clear differences in your body of work. It is something to actually watch out for. At the same time, you don't want all your works to be the same, just repeating a pattern or a motif, as the case may be. You have to be able to be complex at the same time as simple. You have to be able to have a common theme, a common language that reads through your works. I mean, it's not something you should sit down and plan like a kind of war party or a battle, but it's something you should keep in mind that when your works differ a lot, while there is nothing wrong with it, you have to have strong arguments as to why these things occur, so as to build a story, so as to build a connection with your audience. Because your audience actually is looking for a story. They're looking for something they can bite on, hold on to, depend on, rely on as they try to interpret their own lives. So when your stories are broken up a lot, it is good to have a good kind of statement behind it. Not an artist statement, you know, it's not like a propaganda or whatever, but you want to be able to face this period with a sense of a kind of a dialogue between you, the work, and also your audience. This dialogue or these conversations are important because these issues need vehicles to carry them. I mean, your work needs a vehicle to carry them. The work themselves, as I have not said this before, but the work itself is one aspect of the dialogue. The work is a visual interpretation of your thoughts at a particular time. The way, the technique, the forms you use to express them, when they change, they will, in most cases, create a disruption. And this disruption can throw some people off. Now, that's not a bad thing in itself, but it will be good to remember that if you have an audience, if you acquire one, if you're lucky, you have several, thousands of them, that you maintain a relationship with them. These relationships would build a stronger understanding for your work. And anything that you do, from expressing the depth of your imagination to frivolities you have or your vices or whatever, are not going to be interpreted without your calling, without you doing it. So in making your work as diverse as it can be, try to carry the audience along with you. With that said, I hope this short video means something to your continued expression of your art and also in your progress. Ciao.